welcome to the show. I'm Grady Grizzle, and here is my faithful sidekick, Poppy.
Hello, Grady.
Oh, that's not Poppy. That's a giant caterpillar. Run! Oh! Oh!
Grady, wake up! Grady!
Caterpillar! Oh, Poppy! Huh, I must have fallen asleep guarding my tomato plant.
From caterpillars?
That's him! Look what he did to my poor tomato plant!
Grady, I don't think this caterpillar did that.
Oh, sure he did. Poor thing.
Well, did you water it?
I gave it lots of Capri Sun.
Well, what about plant food?
Oh, I gave it spaghetti, my favorite food.
Yeah, well, if you sing to plants, it can help them grow.
I did one better. I told it jokes. Check this out. Hey, tomato. Yeah, Grady. You want to hear a joke? Yeah, more than ever. Okay, listen to this. How do you fix a broken tomato? I don't know. With tomato paste, huh? He's not laughing, Poppy.
Oh, that's what we call a killer joke.
Oh, thank you very much.
I don't think this caterpillar could have done that.
No?
No, it's actually just a puppet.
A puppet?
Yeah, see?
Whoa, neat.
I could show you how to make one.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
Okay, come on, let's go inside.
Great.
First, draw a leaf onto a green piece of paper, then cut it out. Cut a thin strip from the same piece of paper and set it aside. Take a chopstick or a small stick and wrap a pipe cleaner around it. This will become your caterpillar's body. Smoosh it all together and take it off of the chopstick. Next, we're going to roll up the green thin piece of paper and put a dot of glue on the end and wait for it to dry. Once it completely dries, glue the rolled up piece of paper to your leaf. Now it's time to give our caterpillar eyes. You can use glue and googly eyes, or you can hole punch a white piece of paper and add dots with a marker. Alright, last step. You're going to take and slide your chopstick into the rolled up piece of paper and place glue on top of the rolled up piece of paper and the top end of the chopstick. Hold your caterpillar on there until it's dry, and voila! You have your own caterpillar puppet.
Oh, this is such a great little caterpillar puppet. Look at him go.
Hey, Grady, I got you something.
What's that?
Ta-da!
Oh, it's a new tomato plant. Oh, look at him. Hi, little guy.
Hello, Grady.
Oh, it's the caterpillar from my nightmares. You stay away from my tomato plant.
You say tomato, I say to make you go dancing.
Where's that music coming from?
I don't know, but I feel great from my head down. Tomatoes! Let's dance!
Hey, you're dancing too fast. I need to catch up. Oh, yeah. Dancing with my tomato